Hi, Paul Hernandez, trial attorney at Kalfus and Nachman, practicing in Virginia and North Carolina. So you've been in an auto accident. The person who caused your wreck was insured with Gieco Insurance Company, and you are searching for the Gieco Insurance Company claims number. I will share that number with you in a second, but before I do that, I want to prepare you for what's going to happen when you call that Geico Insurance claims number. First, they will want to know the policy number for the person who caused your accident. If you don't know that number or you don't have it, they will then ask you for the full name of the person who caused your wreck. Make sure that you also have their address as well, because they want to verify that they have the correct insured in their database. The Geico claims adjuster will then want to get a bunch of information from you. They will want your full name, your address, telephone number, date of birth, social security number, and of course the date of the accident. But you do not need to give them your date of birth or social security number. They want that information so they can run an ISO search on you. ISO stands for Insurance Services Office. This is a database of all the insurance claims you have ever made in your entire life. They will also run a Google search on you and a social media search on you in an effort to find things about your character and if you have any crimes in your history. Remember, they are only doing this to besmirch your character. Do not give them your date of birth and do not give them your social security number. Next, the Geico Insurance Adjuster will want all the information of all the vehicles involved in the wreck, to include the driver's information, car owner information, the year, the make, the model. They're going to ask you for the VIN number of those vehicles. They will also ask you about the identity of all witnesses to the wreck, including their names, addresses, and telephone numbers. Next, they will ask you to upload to their claims file all photos and videos that you may have taken of the wreck, the scene, and the vehicles involved. They will ask you if anyone was physically injured and make you identify all injuries suffered by anybody involved in the accident. They may even ask you if you suffered from any of your injuries prior to the accident. They ask about prior injuries because they are setting up to blame your prior injuries as causing your current problems, as opposed to the accident that their insured caused. Next, and most importantly, they will attempt to take a recorded statement from you. This is where you make a hard stop. You remember that saying, anything you say may be held against you in a court of law. That is why they want to take a recorded statement from you. It does not matter that you have not fully processed the accident, or that you're on medications, or that you're suffering from pain and discomfort. You must remember that Virginia is an at-fault insurance state, and if you are any bit at fault for your accident, you cannot recover. Yes, you heard me correctly. If you mess anything up in that recorded statement, that will be Exhibit 1 to denying your claim. These Geico insurance adjusters are trained to ask specific questions to trip you up, to guess at answers you do not know, and to make it look like you may have some fault in the accident. Do not give a recorded statement to the insurance adjuster. You still have a claim regardless of what that insurance adjuster tells you. So instead of trying to do something you have very little of any experience in doing, call an experienced attorney to walk with you shoulder to shoulder through this new experience in your life. However, if you want to risk possibly losing your automobile accident insurance case, here is the Geico Insurance claims number. It is 800-841-3000. That number again is 800-841-3000. You may be wondering why I'm telling you this. Because I handle cases like this every single day. I don't want you to mess up your case. So what I want you to do, before you call that insurance company, call me, Paul Hernandez. The number is 888-HURT-LINE. That number again, 888-487-8546. Thanks for watching.